Hello, it's a while since I've done any of these YouTube videos, but I thought I'd get started. Spring's on its way. Want to get out with the cameras, get some filming done, and thought I'd just do a catch up really. This year I will be using the Sony a7iii full frame. Been having a lot of fun learning. There's a hell of a lot to this camera, and its performance has just been unbelievable so far. So yeah, got that. Lens wise, G Master, well no, not G Master, G lens 70 to 350. It's APS-C, so on the a7iii it'll use the crop sensor mode, so this will actually be 525, so really good zoom on that. I've also now got the G lens, which is the, I can't remember now, it is the 18 to 105, so again that will be like 24, 105, something like 150 or something. So yeah, again APS-C unfortunately, but there you go. Then full frame, this one, which is the 28 to 70. Basically it's the kit lens that comes with the a7iii, although I didn't get it with the a7iii, but there you go. It's yeah, it's a kit lens. What else have I got? I have let's just zoom out a bit because it's like my face is filling up the whole frame here. Okay. Right, yeah, sorry about that, but so where were we? 2870. Then I've got the full frame again, the nifty 50, so that's 1.8 aperture, 50mm, which will be 50mm on the a7iii. So yeah. Now I've also got the 30mm 1.4 Sigma. Now this again is APS-C, this one, so I've been using it a lot on the a6300, which is what I'm filming this on now. Obviously I can use it on the a7, but again it'll be using the crop sensor. Yeah, I mean I love this lens. This lens on the a63 is so sharp. So got that. On the a6300 at the minute, I've got the kit lens, which I think is 16 to 55, and that's got the electronic focus, hence the fact I can zoom in and out from on my phone or on the remote. And that's the other thing on the this G lens, the 18105, that's also electronic zoom, so remotely I can zoom in and out with this one. Then that brings me to the stranger lenses. This little one, it's manual focus, it's manual everything basically. It's a 1.8 and it's 25mm by Newer, ever so cheap, 50, 60 quid, but surprisingly sharp little lens. So it definitely got its uses. So yeah, got that. And then the other strange one, the TT Artisan. Now this is 7.5mm, so like ultra wide angle, f2, and you can really have some fun with this. So I'm going to try it on the a7iii. I mean, this is basically APS-C lens, so I'm gonna bet on a fair bit of vignetting, and probably if I put it in crop sensor mode it won't be so bad. But yeah, this is manual focus, but a really good lens actually, and it comes with an ND filter. Now, being a wide lens and having the big bulbous lens on the front, you can't normally put an ND filter on these lenses, but this ND screws into the back of the lens here. So not only can you do really wide shots, you can do some slow shots as well. So something to play around with in the spring, see what we can get with the, you know, I think we will get, that we'll put teeth in, we will get some quite nice effects, depending on how and where you use it. So I'm looking forward to trying that on the cameras. What else is new? What else is new? Oh, along with the a7iii, I've got the remote. I mean, these basically came out when the ZV-1s came out, and but this fully works with the a7iii. So again, for remote stuff, really handy. I'll do other videos and delve more into them and take a few shots and some videos for comparisons, but I just thought I'd run through some of the bits that are knocking around to play with this spring. Now, on the other side of things, I have, this is the remote for the camera head on top of the tripod there, and this is remote, so up, down and around. So that's something else I'm going to definitely do a review on. Get some really nice smooth panos. So yeah, and on the other bits basically along with this is I've got the new, well not the new, but I've got the new Canon photo printer, which is producing some really nice prints, and I can go up to A3 full colour with that. So that's something else where I can go through. But yeah, so quite a lot of stuff to get through, quite a lot of video and photos to take. If we, well, Alexa, turn printer light on.
Okay.
Right, if I pan around like so, don't worry about all the mess. Oh, there's some photos I've been taking. I've been doing a lot of pet photography, so there's quite a few bits and pieces there. So I'll get this right. So yeah, there's some photos there, and carry on round, excuse the mess, and there's the printer. I'm really pleased, as I say, very pleased with the printer. I mean, there's a few bits and pieces for now. Bring you back round, see my, let's bring that back up. Take you a bit wider, quite lot wider. Right, so yeah, there's all that lot to get through. I don't know how well does it show up, but that's a print from the printer, and that was some birds of prey I did the other day. Again, that was using the Sony a7 III, can't remember offhand which lens. Looking at that, it was probably the Sony Nifty 50 for the close-ups. I did do some of them in flight using the longer lens, but all will be revealed. Lots of stuff to get round and put on, and yeah, if you've managed to watch this till the end, thanks. If you would put a like, if you would subscribe, all of that would be great, and hopefully I'll see you soon. As I say, if you subscribe and hit the bell, you'll get to find out more about some of these lenses and other bits and pieces. Thanks for watching. Cheers for now. Bye.